This is a report on exercise 5 involving transfer function of a rotational mechanical system. Before we start, we proceed by deriving the transfer function for the rotational mechanical system. So over here is its transfer function, and thus we now proceed on uh, the process on how we arrive to our answer. First, what we did is we used the percent overshoot and the settling time to solve for the zeta and omega n. So the equation for the of percent overshoot is equal to the e raised to negative of zeta all over square root of 1 minus zeta squared times pi. So you can actually see it here in the equation. Now using the VPA solve will solve the numerically the answer for only one equation. So with this, we can finally uh, look for the answer. So this is the answer for that. This is the zeta. And for the second equation, the settling time is 4 over zeta omega n. We can use this to solve for omega n. And this is the answer. It's approximately 1. So after that, we now proceed to the transfer function general equation for a second order system. And so what we get for this one is this 1.001 all over s squared plus 1.335 plus 1.001. And then here we also have our transient parameters. So our transient parameters, uh, that includes the peak time, the rise time, in addition to both the percent overshoot and the settling time. And so they also have their own respective formulas. For the rise time, the formula is slightly inaccurate. So in order to offset that, we have to use graphical method in order to obtain it, which is by finding the points where both the 90% and 10% occur, and then subtracting those 2 points. So over here, our rise time is 2.056 seconds, while our peak time is 4.214 seconds. And now for the answer to the lab manual, we will have JM.
Okay, so for the love manual, to summarize this, the first is the letter J, yung kinukuha is letter J is equals to 6. Yung D is 1.335 times 6 is equals to 8. Then yung K is the equal to the different seat numbers with your pair. Yung seat number ko ay 16 and yung kay Tony is 10 is equals to 6. Then the rising time is equals to 2.0560. Then the peak time is equals to 4.2143. And the settling time is equals to 6, which is the sum of the last digits of pair numbers. Then the g of s is equals to 1.001 over s squared plus 1.335 s plus 1.001. And the percent overshoot is equals to 6%.
In addition to that, set expressing g of s in terms of jdk, we also get 6 all over 6x squared plus 8s plus 6. And so that concludes our report.